Hello everyone, welcome back to another Arizona Airgun Hunter adventure. Today I will be hunting on the north side of my permission. Today I'm hunting dove. I have set up several hay bales which I'm shooting off of, which is approximately 35 yards from the tree. For some reason, the dove could not resist coming to this tree. By the end of the day, I had approximately 30 dove. Oh, don't worry. Every dove I shoot and recover goes to the freezer. I'm taking my time shooting these doves. On some of these shots, it appears as if the doves fly away, but they're not. Trust me, they are going down. On this shot, I forgot to load my rifle, but not to worry, the dove stays put. For a second shot, down it goes. As I mentioned earlier, the dove are approximately 35 yards away from me. So I'm going to stop talking and let you enjoy the footage. Here is an aerial view of the north side of the permission. I take my drone up to get a bird's eye view so that you can see what I see with all these birds flying all over the place. These are dove we are looking at. The farm is overrun with them. Now let's get back to the action. Many of the shots of today's hunt were taken off camera. However, I decided to set the camera up later in the day so that I can share my adventure with you. I hope you enjoyed the footage. Thanks for watching.